DIY Guide: Fixing Dish Volume Issues.
Hello everyone! Today we are addressing a common issue you might have encountered: dish volume problems. If you found your dishes are coming out of the dishwasher still wet, or not as clean as you'd like, don't worry, you're not alone. There are a few steps you can take to fix this problem. This video is your handy guide to solving this issue right at your own home.
What causes dish volume issues?
Before we start, it's important to understand what might be causing these dish volume issues. It could be due to several reasons like overloading, not using the right detergent, or insufficient water pressure. Sometimes, it could also be a result of malfunctioning dishwasher parts. But, fear not. Most of these issues can be tackled with just a little time and patience.
Are you overloading your dishwasher?
The first and easiest problem to address is overloading. Overloading your dishwasher can lead to improperly cleaned dishes because the water and detergent can't reach all the surfaces. Ensure you're not overcrowding your dishes, and they're well spaced. Remember, your dishwasher isn't a Tetris game. There's no need to fill every available space.
Is your detergent appropriate?
Another issue could be the type of detergent you're using. Some detergents don't work as well in hard water, leading to poor cleaning results. Try switching to a different brand or type of detergent to see if that improves the cleaning. If your water is particularly hard, consider using a water softener or a detergent booster.
Checking the water pressure.
Low water pressure can also be a reason behind volume issues. Inspect your dishwasher's spray arms for clogs, and clean them out if needed. Make sure the dishwasher is getting enough water. If it isn't, you might have a problem with the water supply line, which you can usually locate and inspect for kinks or blockages.
Inspecting the dishwasher parts.
If you're still having issues, you might have a faulty component in your dishwasher. Check the float assembly, a device inside the dishwasher that controls the amount of water the machine uses. If it's stuck or broken, it could be causing your issues. You could also look at the door gasket for any leaks. Remember, if you're uncomfortable performing these checks, it's always a good idea to consult with a professional. Fixing dish volume issues can seem daunting, but it's often something you can handle at home with a little bit of DIY spirit. Hopefully, these tips help you address and resolve any dish volume issues you're experiencing. Remember to always refer to your user manual or reach out to a professional if you're unsure. Thanks for tuning in, and happy dishwashing!